During her lunch break at work, Sophia uses her desktop to access NC report cards. She wants to analyze school performance charts to determine the quality of her daughter Kim's new school and make alternate plans if needed. She finds zooming in and out disorienting, so she decides to use her ISO plugin with SAS Visual Analytics. Sophia clicks on the ISO logo on her browser's toolbar. The white text sharply contrasts with a dark background to aid readability. The simple text hierarchy leads her eye to the relevant information. The program prompts Sophia to select schools for comparison. She prefers typing instead of scrolling because it is more efficient moving through the lengthy NC report cards list. Sophia types in the schools, hits enter, and confirms the selections. Sophia chooses Kim's rising grade in the most recent year. She is taken to the average class sizes, displaying graphs for the current year and trends over time. Sophia opens the sidebar and sees that she can alter her selections if needed. This is helpful because she loses her place when backtracking due to central vision loss. A simulation has been applied to demonstrate what Sophia sees. Sophia can't see the graphs in her central vision, so she resizes and drags them to her peripheral vision. She sees the overall trends of class sizes and notices that EK-POW has generally lower class size, while Southwest has been inconsistent over time. Sophia decides to click the zoom button. She hesitates, remembering the difficulty she has had before trying to see the small numerical data. The graph expands with details, and Sophia's stress lessens. She finds the colors easy to distinguish, even with her color-deficient vision, and the large numbers and text reduced her eye movement. Sophia sees that high and low points for each school are highlighted, allowing her to focus on the most notable information. Sophia hovers over points to reveal the numbers. She then hovers over the schools and the key, isolating lines on the graph. She is pleased that she has the ability to control the amount of data displayed. This reduces visual clutter and distraction. Sophia hovers and clicks on 2015 to know more. Sophia sees the bar graph and looks at the numbers. She sees that EK-POW has the smallest class size because the large numbers are paired with the bar. Without the plugin, she couldn't compare the schools well because the bars were not side by side. Sophia wants to know the exact difference, so she clicks on each school's bar. She learns that EK-POW's average was 11 students smaller than Southwest. Sophia is feeling better about sending Kim to EK-POW because class size is important to her. It is the end of her lunch break, so she decides to compare teacher effectiveness when she gets home. Sophia sits on the couch after work. She gets her Google Pixel and Google Daydream. She opens the ISO VR app, which connects to SAS Visual Analytics. She turns on the volume and allows microphone access before putting it into her ViewMaster. Sophia's sight, hearing, and voice can work together in the panoramic space.
Welcome to ISO SAS VR Viewer.
She is brought to a tutorial.
The cue to use a voice command is a pink box. To activate Google Assistant, say, "OK Google," and then speak your command. Press the action button to continue. If a box is highlighted, click once to toggle through the options. To select the highlighted option, click twice.
Google Assistant reduces Sophia's eye strain since she can rely on her hearing.
Once you're situated in the data visualization, you can say, "OK Google, take me home," to be taken to a new home screen. To go back a step, you can say, "OK Google, take me back." To recenter your orientation to the original screen, say, "OK Google, recenter me."
The app confirms she is done with the tutorial.
Now you're ready to experience virtual reality.
Sophia is given the choice to choose previous or new graph, so she selects new graph. Once she has her bearing, she toggles to select teacher effectiveness. She sees the pink rectangles and voice selects the two schools she wishes to compare.
EK-POW Elementary, Southwest Elementary.
She is brought to her data visualization. The information is large, so she can shift her head to see using her peripheral vision. She feels immersed since the ViewMaster blocks out any distracting lights and glares. Sophia looks at the pie chart comparison wall and then sees 4 cubes ranging from red to blue. When she presses the action button, it reads out each element of the key. The wall color and cube size shifts as she clicks through the key, so she knows there are changes occurring.
Developing teacher effectiveness, proficient teacher effectiveness, distinguished teacher effectiveness, accomplished teacher effectiveness.
Looking back at the pie charts, Sophia realizes that the year 2016 doesn't have any major changes that would help make her decision. She turns to the menu and toggles to the year 2014. Sophia sees strong differences in the distinguished teacher slices. The arrows guide her to see the developing teacher slices compared in isolation. EK-POW's slice is larger than Southwest, illustrating that EK-POW has a greater amount of distinguished teacher effectiveness. Sophia decides that she has analyzed enough data to make her decision. After assessing EK-POW in Southwest Elementary with the ISO desktop plugin and the ISO VR app with SAS Visual Analytics, Sophia decides to send Kim to EK-POW Elementary. The average class sizes are small, and there is distinguished teacher effectiveness. Sophia can't wait to let Kim know.